Out here, Taylor Natural Life is outside. You know what we do, man. Welcome back to my channel, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know? We in the Blue Mountain side. You know, we big up Slumdog, we big up Hooray for Anna, who are on my live stream right now. We're doing everything right at this moment, man. It's a pleasure being here, man. We have to be safe outside. We big up all the people on the live stream at this moment. We big up New Vision. We big up New Vision, and we have some friends. So you big up who we big up? Yeah, load it up.
Yeah, man, big up my dog, them Doggy Fresh, Team Scheme, everybody. General, you know. Terror Black, you know it already.
Outside, slippers, mad.
It's a regular day, you know.
It's a regular day, my friend. We're outside.
We're outside, mama.
The world of the city.
That's cool, man.
Shout out your channel, party.
Yeah, man, you don't know Adark Entertainment. You see me, but when I spell out entertainment, it's just ENT, A-D-A-R-K, full caps.
A-D-A-R-K, full caps. Yeah.
ENT, lower caps.
Tell the people over there.
With the call the place again, Buff Bay up on the almost Blue Mountain side. If you look up further,
yeah.
You don't know it's going to rain time and also.
Yeah.
You're not going to see Blue Mountain. But just go and pick up on yourself. Search up the side, the channel.
We are search up it. I'll say Taylor Natural Life. I will follow you to Zenith. Yeah, man.
Respect again to you and them and subscribe. Yeah.
Shout out anybody who you want. Shout out. Mommy,
daddy.
daddy.
Mommy, big up yourself.
That is it.
Yeah. All I family them overseas and yard. All of my dog them respect. One love.
You know once this video is qualified, it's yours, man.
All right,
it's all yours, man. Welcome, man. I hope you enjoy your stay here. Alright. And thanks for everything, man.
Yeah.
You see,
Taylor Natural Life.
that is it.
Respect, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my word. This is the day, man. This is the day that God has made. Let's rejoice and be glad in it, man. So we have to big up the people, big up the men, big up the people on my live stream. I'm doing everything at once right here. I'm making a video for my platform. You guys, it's a must-see, man. When I go home, I will be posting this video, man. All the way. All the way. I said it on the live stream. I'm here. Thanks for your patience, man. Thanks so much for your patience in this one. I have to get it right, man. We have some birds over there. So I'm on the live stream, man, while I'm filming. And you know, we take one stone and kill all the... we take one stone and shoot, get the birds. We ready? Yeah, we're outside. Uncle, it's really, really nicey. We have to get this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll say Taylor Natural Life. You have to be careful, man. Alright. Shall we leave? This is how we do it, man. We have to take it. When I don't have much to give, I'll give my heart. Not today.
No.
Yeah. So she's down there. She's very nice. No look like. What do I have to give? I'll give my all. I am not a shepherd, so I cannot give a lamb. So I'm going close to the music.